Hey guys, this is Mark here and welcome back to another video, and today I have the Edifier GM4 Mini, and this is apparently made for gaming, but let's see how it goes. The review will be coming out another week, probably because I still need time to go through it. Anyhow, let's get to the unboxing and yeah, let's check it out. What's inside? Okay guys, let's get to the unboxing. Let's take a look around the box, and I have a trusty knife just in case. The Edifier GM4 Mini, and then on the side here is written like Bluetooth 5.0, LED lights, touch control, low latency, IPX5 game mode, which is pretty good. And oh my god, the box looks really good though. And then there's on the side serial numbers in black, stuff like that. So let's open it up. This was cost around 100 something, and hopefully this is much better than the X3, because the X3 has a tendency of, oh, the box looks really good. They should just come just like this instead of this. This looks good. Okay, whoa, that looks great. Oh my god, the gold. It looks like a makeup expensive box. Type-C charging, which is pretty neat. And then the Hecate GM4 Mini. And oh, it lights up. Oh my god, it looks really good. This lights up. Okay, I'm just trying to connect it later. Okay, let's check what's inside. I like how they just package it like this. Simple. And they could actually make it smaller. Extra earbuds. And USB-C cable, so which is pretty neat. I like the packaging design for this. It's actually quite good. It's quite nice, quite neat. And let's check what's inside else. It's this guide and some warning stuff. So yeah. I'll be dropping a review soon, and I hope you guys catch it as well. And remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!